Jonathan, what are you gonna do?
Okay, I'm doing the vending machine at the Hot Wheels Convention.
Jeffrey!
I
hope you saved your surprises back there.
I actually don't.
They all gone?
Yeah.
Pick a good one.
Let's see what
How
happens.
many people
F7.
not showed up?
Philip.
So far, you've got a Chevelle wagon.
Ooh. Dad, you
That is
got
cool.
a good one. Dad, you got a good one.
One more try.
What's that?
Another shot.
All right, Luke, it's your turn.
No.
E7. Let's see what happens.
They told you to do.
And we've got a Volkswagen mailing. That's it so far.
Look what I got.
Ooh.
Come on, win.
And we got a pink party car, like my Firebird. It's a good one.
Last one.
Let me see the car.
B1. Let's see
Come
what
on,
happens.
B1. You better be lucky.
Super.
Come on.
Super.
Winner, winner.
Let's go!
Woo! Winner!
Number 4.
Attaboy. Attaboy. Good job.
No, I forgot I
The
gave
lucky
him
card.
a good one.
And he better share with you.
What do you get? Come get your prize.
I could.
Oh, man. You got Ninja Turtle.
Ninja Turtle!
Oh, man.
Show me what you get.
Power!
Show all your viewers.
So we got 70s.
It is good money.
Hopefully I get them
Ninja.
That's from
Yeah,
Comic
that's
Con.
it.
Diamond speed.
200.
He wants to get them and open them. I have to.
Where's that from? Comic-Con?
Comic-Con.
Same.
We won,
That's
We
the
got
party.
something
That's
good.
the party wagon.
and we're going to be
Oh, is it
signing
the
off
party
for
one?
now.
See, that's the party card.